Hi there, Linda J. Hahn from Easley, South Carolina, and I am really excited to be teaching at the AQS Seam Retreat, which is October 13th through the 18th in 2026. We'll be in Paducah, Kentucky. So my project that you can see here is called Color Fusion. It is foundation paper pieced, and before you say no, I have broken this project down for you so that there's only 2 seams to stitch per component. And then we will put the components together to make the quilt top. So it's really, really easy. And one of the best things about it is you probably already have the fabric in your stash right now because they're small pieces, and then you'll just need to get a background. You can easily make it larger if you'd like. You just make more blocks. And while we're together, you'll certainly have a good time because I have legendary stories that will make you laugh. And AQS has some really cool things planned for after class time for the evening activities. So hope to see you there. Color Fusion is the class, and be ready to have some fun.